Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. I am Sim Marie, and in today's video, we will speak on how to make money on Twitter with a small following. Now, I know we all believe that you need thousands of followers to make money on Twitter, and in most cases, that is very much true. But today, I have a special treat for small content creators. Let's turn this passion into profit. Let's go. So, the very first thing that we're going to speak on is what is a Twitter tip jar? So, this tip jar allows your followers to send you money as a token of appreciation for your tweets. So basically, it's a straightforward way for your audience to support you financially, making it a fantastic tool for content creators, influencers, and even content creators that don't have that many followers. That's what I love about it the most. They're not excluding small content creators. That's a great start, guys. So the next thing that we will be doing is setting up the tip jar. Now, I know a lot of you guys are like, I never knew we had this feature, but that's what seeing is here for. So anyways, if you have an extra phone or just listen up. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your profile, click on edit profile, and find the tip jar option. Then the next thing that you're going to do is enable the tip jar and connect your preferred payment method. Okay, let's move forward. We know what a tip jar is. We've turned tip jar on. We've set up our payment options. Now it's time to make these great tweets to get the tips. So, like I said previously, regardless of your following count, engaging content is key. So try to focus on creating tweets that resonate with your audience. It could be anything from witty remarks, insightful thoughts, or even a glimpse into your daily life. But consistency provides value and entertainment, okay? If a person knows that when they get on Twitter, they're going to see your tweets, your daily life insights, that's what they're looking for. And the more they see you when they get on that app, the more likely they are to add tips to your jar. Okay, moving on to another tip, utilizing hashtags and trends. If you can, stay on top of trending topics and use relevant hashtags in your tweets. By doing that, it increases the visibility of your content beyond your immediate followers. To infinity and beyond, you want to keep your followers you have now and beyond. So by doing that, use hashtags inside of your tweets. So people who are looking under those hashtags or people who content comes from those hashtags will run across you. And then you can say, hey guys, don't forget, if you love my tweets, put a little something in my tip jar. Okay, so last but not least is engaging with your followers. Engagement is the heart of social media success. I say that all the time, no matter what platform you're on, engagement in your audience is social media. So try to respond to comments, ask questions, and create a sense of community. People love to feel involved. People love to feel wanted. So make sure you make them feel that. You can't ask people for money and you don't make them feel comfortable. So basically, the more connected your followers feel, the more likely they are to support you. Building a genuine relationship with your audience can be more impactful than the number of followers you have. So like I said previously, don't let your small following discourage you, okay? It's very possible and highly rewarding once you get it down pat. Now remember, it's not just about the numbers, it's about the quality of your engagement and the value you provide to your audience. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your earnings grow. Keep going, guys. I love that Twitter has added this feature for small content creators. We have to start somewhere. So anytime you make a tweet or anything, recommend your tip jar. Say, hey guys, I have my tip jar turned on. If you would like to support me, okay? Because you're the one thinking of these tweets. And so it's your idea basically. So why not get paid for what you thought of? Turn your thoughts into profit. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.